and this is the Innovation Lab at Jaworek School. And the activity was a third grade class. We were doing it based on the book Balloons Over Broadway, which is the story of the first Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. And Tony Sarg, who is the puppeteer who created those amazing floats that we see in the parade every year. And the kids were challenged to build their own balloon float. And they use the engineering design process, which is a step-by-step approach to building. So I gave them the idea, we read the book, we talked about what happens in a parade and how the balloons stay up. And then they worked with their teams to develop a plan and come up with their own character, and using the different materials that I had presented to them, what they were going to use to make their balloons. Then we had a period where they created them. And today they got a chance to simulate the parade by coding the B-bots and driving their balloons around Broadway.
My name is Lavinia. I am in third grade. I like to work with a friend and solve the problems with a friend. We can do together and it's fun.
My name is Luca and I'm in third grade. This class is a fun class this year and I'm enjoying it. I had to think and create what I wanted to do, and we came up to do a spider. My favorite part of the project is making the balloon.
I love this activity for a number of reasons. It gets the kids really engaged and working together, and creative. Some of the ideas they came up with for their balloons were amazing to me, and how they were able to use the materials in a way to make it look like the character they wanted. But I also loved the story, and we got to talk a lot about how the Thanksgiving Day Parade was actually started to celebrate for the immigrants that were working in Macy's, and how they would not be home for their holidays, and so the different carnivals and dancing in the streets and things that they used to do in their own countries were all brought into this parade. So the kids were able to relate to the idea of being, from another country and living here and celebrating Thanksgiving because they're thankful for being in this country and having everything that they have now. It's great to watch them grow, because when they first come in, everybody wants to do their own. And the structure of the class, I purposefully start with group projects. And at first it's like you have the squabbles over sharing and not being able to agree on an idea. And this project, by the time we get to this, they're in such a good place that they really, it's nice to hear them say, okay, well, how about if we do this? And, oh, but I like this. And we'll do this one of yours and this one of mine. So the collaboration really grows throughout the year. Yeah. This year is the first year that we're doing all K through 5. It was only 3 to 5 the past 2 years. So it's a special. So they come 30 minutes a day every week. And it's really fun. They seem to really be happy to come in here. Yeah. And they're all, what are we doing today? What are we building today?